Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to set up a password for your user account on Windows 10. Protecting your computer is essential, so let's get started. To begin, simply click on the Windows search bar located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Sign In Options and click on the relevant search result to access the Sign In Option settings. In the sign-in options, you'll find various options related to your account security. So you have an option to manage how you sign in to your device. So for example, you want to sign in with a physical security key or sign in with your account's password. You can also sign in using a PIN. So this is recommended by Windows. For example, you want to sign in with a PIN. All you have to do is click that. And if you already have a PIN and you want to change it, just click here, change. And after that, it's time to create a strong and secure PIN. Avoid using easily guessable PIN like your birth date and something like that. You may have an option also to add a password hint. This can be helpful if you ever forget your password, but make sure it's something that only you can understand and doesn't give away the actual password. So once you've entered the new PIN that you have created, all you have to do is to click Save or Apply to set up the new PIN. And now your user account is protected. And that's it. You now know how to set up a password for your user account on Windows 10. Taking this simple step can help keep your personal data safe and secure. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful in setting up your password. Remember, it's essential to keep your computer protected. Once again, thank you for watching how to set up a password for your user account on Windows 10. See you on my next video. Stay safe and stay curious.